international human rights law, as we lays down the obligations of governments to act in certain ways or to refrain from certain acts in order to promote and protect human rights and fundamental freedoms of individuals or groups. So you all can read that in you can Google that and you can find the definition. So one of the great achievements of United Nations is the creation of comprehensive body of human rights law. So any of you will be curious about my YouTube channel, you all could see that I also I have to reveal that I complained for violations of human rights against United States of America, U.S. Embassy in the Philippines, because I had an experience for rejection of marriage and I was labeled as a gold digger. So next time I will post on how it had it happened. That meaning, I believe that, meaning that's the reason why I got depressions. But actually, it's more on, it's our own body cannot accept failures which is just too much, and it's involved money. So that's my experience of human rights violations, and it's the government and it's versus United States of America. They rejected the rights of their American citizen to be helped, to be assessed in the Philippines in time of distress, and which if anybody would like to disagree my idea was that, or is that, meaning, my congressman over here in the Philippines, when I tried to ask from him some help, immediately he sent the mayor now in our town, and with now I think the person with the mayor is now a board member. So immediately, and then it happens when we arrive in their house, in their place of our congressman, when I asked help on what we can do just to release. I think our concern to our congressman was that to ask if he can help me to 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 get out or discharged from the hospital, since we were detained for no money. So we are detained inside the hospital for running out of money. We cannot afford anymore for my American partner. We cannot afford anymore for our bills. And so, but there's a hope. All the doctors was telling me, meaning, before the man died, we must be all married, so that, meaning, we can afford to pay the bill just slowly and randomly, and they really trust me. And then it turned out, until today, meaning, the United States of America didn't do anything. So for me, so I sent a complaint to the United Nations ambassadors for, in terms of human rights violations and women's rights violations and teachers' rights violations, actually. So later on, I will explain to that, because it's more on money, because it's more on, they are labeling me as a gold digger, as aftering the money of the American citizens, knowing I already laid down and they already got all the pictures, the images, that meaning prove that we are detained, and meaning, it's life versus death. So that's basically my concern, and hopefully people can understand that.